Dubois breaks free. Dubois, Atkinson scores! Jackets win in overtime!
And it's a celebration, and it's all Pierre-Luc Dubois, the big guy. He baits the check and then takes his space and gets it right to Cam Atkinson. And Cam Atkinson says it all. That's a thank you point and a hug that says, hey, the big man, what a clever play by Pierre-Luc. And Cam Atkinson says it all. That's a thank you point and a hug that says, hey. There's the Natchez is the player that he walked around. And that big man using the big body, you can watch that all.